This video is to tell you about how to save to your Google Drive, which I think is the best way to save your files due to the fact that you can access them anywhere, a Chromebook, at home, on your computer at school, as long as you have internet access. So here's google.com, and of course I'm already logged in, if you guys can see that. And so if you needed to log in, you just log in with your district email and password. So here you have your mail and everything else, but I want to show you the drive. So here you see my tons of folders that I have. Okay, I recently just shared a folder with you, and if you find that, you'll go to Shared with Me, and you'll be able to find folders. You may take that, grab it, like I'm clicking this. You can grab it and move into your drive. So when you see my folder, you can just grab and drag and move it into your files, and it'll help you access it easily. When you're in your drive, to create a folder, you just click New, and then Folder, and then you name it whatever you'd like. And then it usually alphabetizes it. So you'll find it in New Folder for GES. It's very easy. So this is the folder that I have for you guys. And the way you can share folders in your drive, technology tips that I shared, right click, you may click Share, and then I just put in your email addresses. You can also make it view only so nobody can change your things. It's very simple. So if you have any more questions about how to view folders or share them, just email me and let me know.